welcome to the ARM What is Program series. In each episode, we dive into a tech topic to give you insight and perspective into some of today's hottest design trends. I'm Brian Fuller, editor-in-chief at ARM, and today we're going to find out what is high-fidelity mobile gaming. And to help us with that, I want to introduce Steve Winburn, who is head of the Developer Relations, Advocacy, and Graphics Engineering team for the client line of business at ARM. Steve's been working in the game and graphics industry for more than 20 years at various game publishers and hardware developers. And his go-to game, Assassin's Creed. He actually worked on it early in his career. So let's dive in. So Steve, what exactly is high-fidelity mobile gaming?
Well, high-fidelity gaming is when you refer to a feature of advanced graphics or complex mechanics in gameplay. Basically, when you think about high-fidelity gaming, to classify in that category, a game needs to have some advanced 3D graphics. It's probably going to have high vertex counts. It's going to have complex vertex and fragment shaders, as well as some sophisticated gameplay, possibly including several AI-controlled characters and a lot of demand on the GPU.
Now, are high-fidelity games associated only with mobile devices, or do they run on laptops and game consoles as well?
No. High-fidelity gaming is not just limited to the mobile space. High-fidelity games are, a lot of times people think first-person shooters, but it's not really, that just genre. You'll find them in racing games. You'll find them in online battle arenas and all types of the multiplayer online MMO games. So they are spread across consoles and PC.
Talk a little bit more about the underlying technologies that enable high-fidelity gaming.
So as I mentioned previously, some of the underlying technologies, a lot of the 3D and advanced 3D graphics effects you would think about, a lot of high vertex counts, a lot of complex vertex and fragment shaders that are being used to develop your art, a lot of sophisticated gameplay with AI, a lot of stress on the GPU, a lot of features that you see rolling down from the PC and console world that really kind of underlie what brings out all of high-fidelity gaming, especially in the mobile space.
So what challenges do developers of high-fidelity mobile games face today, and how are technology providers responding?
So the challenges really being faced, I believe a lot of these developers are seeing, is just keeping up with the various mobile platforms. As you can imagine, there's a large amount of devices. The main way we are seeing technology providers try and help is through tools, and to provide optimizations on performance on these mobile devices, basically for these new graphic techniques and developer educational resources, and then just making sure that developers have a wide swath, like I said, of tools to grab and be able to work with to kind of get the best performance out of their game.
So, Steve, how do you see high-fidelity mobile gaming evolving in the coming years?
I think we're going to see some really incredible stuff, Brian. I think we're going to see the rise of 5G, as well as you're going to see a lot of GPUs continue to become more powerful, more robust. You're going to see more features work their way down from PC and consoles. You'll see things like realistic lighting. You'll see more complex geometry, better shading textures, better particle effects. I think overall, you're going to really start to see the cool things like a lot of film-type quality graphics flow into this space.
Well, thanks so much, Steve. I think you've inspired us to go out to our local app store and download some high-fidelity mobile games. Now, check out all our other What Is episodes here, and be sure to subscribe to this channel because we'll be adding more as the year progresses. Thanks for listening.